What if the most iconic American V8 from the 1930s never died? It just got a 2026 heart transplant. This is not a resto mod. This is not a rendering. This is the 2026 Ford V8, and it just made every other car on the road look boring. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Velocity Hub channel. Today, we're diving deep into the most seductive concept I've seen in years. A car that looks like it escaped from a 1938 hot rod garage and then got kidnapped by a secret Ford design lab in 2026. If you love classic lines but refuse to give up modern performance, buckle up. This one's gonna hurt your wallet in the best way possible.
Ford's first flathead V8 dropped in 1932 and instantly became a legend. Fast forward almost a century, and Ford, or someone extremely talented, said, "What if we brought that soul back, but made it look like it belongs on tomorrow's highway?" The result? This breathtaking black beauty you're staring at right now. Look at that vertical chrome waterfall grille. Tall, proud, and unapologetically old school. The glowing red Ford letters sit like a crown. Those modern ring-shaped projector headlights, they keep the round classic shape but add that futuristic LED halo. It's like the car is staring straight into your soul and daring you to look away. The sculpted fenders, the aggressive chrome bumper, and those thin red accent lights. Pure aggression wrapped in elegance. Long hood, short rear deck, the perfect 1930s coupe proportions. The roofline flows like liquid into those rear fenders. No awkward modern creases, just pure muscular curves. Even though we don't have a dedicated side photo here, you can already feel the stance. Wide, low, ready to devour coastal roads at sunset. Now, spin around back here. Those vertical LED taillights are modern, but they still respect the horizontal lines of the old Fords. The trunk proudly wears the Ford script and that killer intertwined V8 emblem. 4 fat chrome exhaust tips poking out like cannons. And check the California plate that simply reads V8. They didn't even try to be subtle. I love it. Open the door and the 1930s disappear instantly. This cabin is pure 2026 luxury. Perforated leather everywhere, a massive digital cockpit, a floating infotainment screen that actually looks like it belongs here. But the real star, that glowing emerald green ambient lighting that runs across the doors and dash like neon veins. At night, this thing is going to look like a spaceship built in the Great Depression. The steering wheel carries a bold new V8 badge, not the old blue oval, because this car isn't pretending to be a regular Ford. It's something more exclusive. Spec time, because Ford hasn't officially dropped numbers yet, but the internet is already losing its mind. Expected power plant, a modern 5.0 or 5.2-liter V8, possibly supercharged for the full-fat version. We're talking 420 to 480 horsepower in base form, 0 to 60 in around 4 seconds flat, 8-speed automatic or a glorious 6-speed manual for the purists. It's the soul of a flathead hot rod with the refinement of a modern Mustang GT on steroids. Imagine cruising Pacific Coast Highway at golden hour with those quad pipes singing. Yeah, I'm not okay. Limited production, hand-finished details, insane attention to heritage. Realistic street price? $135,000 to $220,000, depending on options. Yes, it's expensive, but so is every other modern classic that people fight over at auctions in 5 years. This isn't a car you buy, it's a car you inherit or regret not buying. The 2026 Ford V8 isn't just a car, it's proof that you don't have to choose between soul and technology. You can have both. Timeless looks that make people stop and stare, and performance that makes them eat your taillights. If this thing ever makes it to a production line, even in tiny numbers, it's going to be one of the most sought-after collector cars of the decade. So tell me in the comments, would you daily drive this beast, or would you keep it wrapped in the garage like the holy grail it is? Drop your answer below, smash that like button if you're obsessed with retro future cars, and subscribe because we're hunting down more insane concepts like this every single week. I'll see you in the next one.